exhausted. Some mornings, I wake up already exhausted, not physically, but somewhere deeper, like the part of me that's supposed to be alive just doesn't show up anymore. I open my eyes, and the first thing I feel is the weight of everything I haven't done. The unread emails, the unanswered messages, the silent pressure to be productive. And then I scroll through people doing more, achieving more, becoming more. And I wonder, am I already behind before I've even begun my day? Everyone's moving so fast, and I just want to pause. Not to quit, not to run away, just pause and breathe and remember who I am when I'm not performing. That's when I remembered this verse from the Gita. It's from chapter 2, verse 47. You've probably heard it before, but this time I actually heard it. You have a right to perform your actions, but not to the fruits of those actions. And suddenly, I saw it. We weren't meant to be machines. The Gita doesn't say, do more, work harder, grind until your soul breaks. It says, do your karma, not to chase results, but to align with yourself. It says, don't obsess over what you'll get. Instead, fall in love with the doing. So I've started doing something small. Every time I feel the panic rise, that I'm not moving fast enough, not doing enough, not becoming enough, I breathe. I remind myself, I am not my to-do list. I am not my output. I am not the applause, and I am not the algorithm. I am the awareness behind it all. Some days, I still forget. But then, I remember that even forgetting is part of being human. You don't have to earn rest. You don't have to prove your worth. You were born worthy. Your soul is enough, even when your calendar is empty. So this is your reminder. You are not a machine. You are not a brand. You are not a number. You are a soul on a journey. And the Gita is just trying to bring you home. This is beyond moksha. Follow if you needed this today.